guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Manvi Gangwani, your boss girl, and today's video is unexpected for you because इस channel पे मैं unboxing नहीं करती हूँ. But in Canada, Temu app is quite famous. Like if you ask any girl, two apps would be famous and their favorite. One is Shein and one is Temu because Temu brings really good and affordable products for you. As I'm starting my makeup journey as well, I've got few things from India and from Temu as well, and this order was totaled in $140. So जो कुछ भी आप देखोगे, it's everything in $140. So can't wait to show you. एक प्रोडक्ट मैंने ऑलरेडी अनबॉक्स कर लिया है, यूज़ भी कर लिया है, तभी ये फटा हुआ है. बट ये बहुत दिन से ये प्रोडक्ट्स मेरे पास आए हुए हैं और एक जो मुझे बहुत बेसब्री से इंतज़ार था वो है ये प्रोजेक्टर. एंड इफ़ यू सी इट ऑन अमेज़ॉन, $120-130 से नीचे नहीं है, और मैंने 140 में इतने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाए हैं ना. सो वी हैव ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड दिस प्रोडक्ट एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. Unbox and show it to you. मैंने पैकेजिंग एज इट इज़ रहने दी है. इफ़ यू कैन सी, बहुत ही मिनी प्रोजेक्टर है, छोटा सा है, बहुत ही प्यारा सा है. एंड यू गेट दिस, इससे आपको पावर आउटपुट मिलता है. दिस इज़ द रिमोट. यू हैव टू बाय द बैटरीज आर एक्सपेंसिव इन कैनेडा. एंड वी गॉट दिस. सो ये आप लैपटॉप पे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. दिस वायर इज़ HDMI एंड ये आप ऑनलाइन भी ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. HDMI to HDMI है, ये लैपटॉप पे कनेक्ट होता है. एंड वी इन्जॉयड इट. लाइक मैंने अपने घर पे जो मेंबर्स हैं उनको भी दिखाया. एंड रात को मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं बेड पे ऐसे रख देती हूँ और वॉल पे यू कैन सी. प्रोजेक्टर का यही फायदा है दैट यू कैन लिटरली एन्जॉय इट एनीवेयर इन द हाउस. एंड दिस इज़ द मिनी वन. ओनली $30 गाइज, ओनली $30. ऑनेस्टली इट्स नॉट top-notch 4K. I would say this is visible enough. Like if you see, थोड़ा सा if आप पास में करोगे तो you will enjoy it more. But if you bring it like more far, it's not that quality-wise great. But $30 guys, it's absolutely worth it. If you don't have a TV or anything, just use this one. Student life. Now ये मुझे अलग से आया था, so ये भी unpack करते हैं. एंड आई थिंक मैंने बहुत दिन हो गए, आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर व्हाट आई ऑर्डर्ड बिकॉज लड़कियाँ लिटरली कार्ट पे डालती जाती हैं चीज़ें. ओके, सो दिस इज़ अ लिप ऑयल एंड ये मुझे कुछ $2-3 का दिख रहा था तो मैंने बस ले लिया बिकॉज आई लाइक लिप ऑयल्स. हू डजंट? एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स. एंड इस पर काफ़ी ज़्यादा रिव्यूज़ थे, सो आई हैड टू बाय दिस वन एंड लेट मी शो इट टू यू लाइव. मतलब अच्छा हुआ ना डूइंग दिस अनबॉक्सिंग पहले ही. Fragrance is a bit of medicine, but the consistency is quite thick and I like this. I don't know मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, but lip oil like थोड़ा सा लगाया मैंने. So I think इसमें पावर बैंक है जो मैंने मंगाया है बिकॉज जो मैंने इंडिया से लाया था वो ख़राब हो गया आते ही. So this doesn't have a brand. Okay, so I tried to get the pink one, but pink one was sold. All the girls attacked on the pink one, so I got this one. So this is just, it actually feels a bit different. The belt of this feels like कि ये यहाँ से थोड़ा this is just connective one, but I think I have to use this one a bit carefully. So this power bank has a capacity of 10,000 mAh and made in China, but इंडिया वाला ख़राब हो गया तो क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है, चाइना का चला लेंगे. बट इट्स क्वाइट क्यूट एंड मैंने इसके रिव्यूज़ भी देखे थे. मैं प्राइजेस डाल दूंगी वंस आई सी माई कार्ट एग्जैक्टली द प्राइस ऑफ इट. दिस इज़ व्हाट आई गॉट फ्रॉम टीमू. फोर्थ आइटम, आई गॉट सम चीप सप्लाईज So I got this strand जो मुझे कहीं नहीं मिल रहा था, like literally Dollarama में when I was doing some creative looks. This was literally for $1, $2 something. And मैं parties में जाती रहती हूँ and I have this craze of coloring my hair. So I got this one. I really liked it. What do you think? So I can literally blend it, and the best part is this clip-on. क्योंकि most of them have like a clip जो बच्चों के लिए लगते हैं, but this one is quite big in length and I think is worth $2. So I got two colors I think. I got a lot of hair accessories. Let me quickly show it to you. And ये सारे under $2-3 हैं. And I love hair accessories. So this is how it looked on Temu. And this is how it looks in real, and I think this is a color which goes with everything. मैं सिर्फ आपको रख के दिखा दूँ, and this is how it looks. As you know, I am an international student. I don't shop unnecessarily. I wanted power bank, I wanted projector, and I wanted a mat for my bathroom because tubs have a lot of falling water. So finally unboxing my necessities, and इसके भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा reviews थे, and this is how it is. This was $4.56 something. I'll put the proper price obviously. So this is the mat. I got these lashes from Temu, and this was quite a valuable pack, and I saw the reviews and I needed this for my clients. So this is how it looks. And I can say that the material is quite nice because I've worked with the lashes, so I can judge if this is plasticky or a nice one. So this is a nice one. Had so many reviews on it. Another hair accessory because I had to order between $140. So I got these cute one because if I want to tie my hair like this, I'll show you why I got this. This can just, you know, make my hair look like this. So that is why I got this one, because you don't need much hair accessories if you get this one. What do you think? From Temu. Okay, so now I think I have the big ones. I have got. अभी तो इसको मैं fast करूँगी रहते हुए। वो नीचे आगे बता भी नहीं पाऊँगा। So I got this makeup organizer for $19-20, something around that, and let me show it to you. Because when you come here in Canada, you build from scratch. So ऐसे जो weight ना हो जिन organizers के, you need such organizer in your life. So this is how it actually looks. It has 4 drawers in it, and drawers की जो openings है वो यहाँ पे दी हुई हैं, so I can just pin it, and this is how it is. And over here I can put my serums and all the brushes if I want. This is how the top looks, and I wanted this. इसके भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा reviews थे. I got the products which had reviews in it, so I think this is quite useful for me because girls have, I have like 2-3 pouches, so now I can put my products in each section. So my favorite one. Okay guys, so मैं आपको बोल रही थी that I got 2 colors in the hair strand. This is the one, and I think it's a unique one. So no, I don't think we need to unbox this because this is similar to this, just in this color, and I love it. Okay, so I got, मैं सच्ची भूल गई थी कि मैंने क्या मंगाया, but I got this heart for my neon heart. You can see they come in all these shapes. I got this neon light from Temu जो मैं अपने रूम में लगाऊंगी, and this is pink in color because pink is like favorite for girls mostly. It has a option like इनने मुझे कुछ stick करने के लिए दिया है, the holder of it, and you can switch it with the batteries and without it. I was shocked because I didn't wanted to use the battery, so I used this, and it will look so good in dark. This is not completely dark. Beautiful. So I got this one and मैं rates डालती रहूँगी, so you can check this out. Last but not least, I need this because I'm a creator and you can guess it. So I got a ring light for myself, and this is not like a large one. I wanted handy products because usually I have to shift, but I was expecting a big tripod. This is handy too, and I don't believe it. This literally fitted, the ring light literally fitted with tripod in this one. So let me show you the result of the ring light. This is an electronic one. So let me show you this as well. Let's see. So thank you so much for joining in for this Temu haul. And I don't know if you guys like such videos on my channel. Let me know in the comment section below. And this is all that I got from Temu: power bank, ring light, hair accessories, mostly lashes, ring light, neon light, projector, mat, and so much more if I forgot it. So yeah, मिलते हैं next video में. This was the haul under $140. Everything was under 140. This is all that you can get from Temu. I love Temu and every girl does. So yeah, for more such videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and मिलते हैं next video में. Bye.